Hey, welcome back guys. So today on this video, we are talking about your SamCart, and more specifically, I'm going to quickly answer a question I keep getting a lot on my other video, and that is, how do you buy a custom domain in your SamCart? So let's go ahead and talk about this. First off guys, real quick video, not too many steps involved, so be sure to stick around to the end of the video. But why would you want to buy a customized domain in SamCart anyways? Well, that's pretty easy. If you're running an online business selling courses, you know that having the SamCart subdomain can be a little cheesy, so you can buy a custom domain that matches with whatever it is you're selling. Whatever the case is, it's a pretty easy process. It's handled here in your SamCart dashboard. Check my video description. I'll try to leave the written instructions there as well. But I've already logged into my SamCart, and this is the home screen. Now here on the home screen, if you want to buy a custom domain, here on the left side, you're going to click on settings. It looks like a gear icon. Okay, once you do that, you're going to see this menu off to the left, and you want to click on this button here called custom domain. Okay, once you do that, you're going to see all the domains you might have already purchased. However, if you are looking to buy a new one, up here on the top right, click on buy a domain. Okay, so once you click there, they let you know that they partner with name.com for domains. So you go ahead and just click right in, and now you can go ahead and just type in the domain that you're looking for. For me, I'm going to buy this domain, launchstantoday.com, and then click on search. Okay, a quick second later, it pulls up the results, as you can see right here. So it looks like this domain is available. So I'm going to go ahead and just click on it. Okay, now it's added to my cart. So I'm going to click on go to checkout. Okay, now we're in the cart, so you can go ahead and choose how many years you want this domain for. For me, I'm only going to choose 1 year. If you know you're going to use this domain for a long time, you can go ahead and upgrade, because that way it's going to lock in the price for $12.99 or whatever the current price is, as opposed to just 1 year, it's going to be $12.99, and then after the renewal, it's going to be $17.99. Here you can go ahead and add privacy. I'm not going to do that, so I'm going to go ahead and click on the trash can. All right, I'm going to click on log. Okay, next it's going to ask you to go ahead and create a name.com account. I personally already have one, so I'm going to go ahead and just click login. All right, now I'm going to enter my username and password. Okay, next it's asking me to go ahead and fill out the icon requirements, so I'm going to go ahead and fill this out. Okay, after entering that in, I'm going to click on payment. Okay, now that I've added in the custom domain, you can see right here, I'm going to click on this little pencil icon. After that, I'm going to go ahead and select the homepage as one of my product pages, and I'm going to select a product, and this is my product right here. If you want, you can go ahead and upload a favicon. I'm going to go ahead and upload one. Okay, I uploaded a favicon, and I'm going to click on save. Okay, now you can see we have a custom domain that we purchased through Sam. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to go over to my product page. I'm going to go back. All right, I'm going to click on products up here on the top left, and then I'm going to choose the product that I want to assign the custom domain to. So for example, this one. Okay, now we're here in settings. Here on the top menu, I'm going to click on advanced, and I'm going to scroll down until I see default custom domain right here under advanced. So it says no custom domain, but I'm going to go ahead and click here and then choose the domain that I just purchased. And then I'm going to click on save change. So there you have it, guys. If you're wondering how to buy a custom domain through your SamCart, that's the easiest way I know how to do it. If you know an easier way, be sure to leave a comment below. Let the rest of us know how you did it. Hopefully you found that video useful. If so, click thumbs up, or maybe consider subscribing to my channel, and I hope to see you on the next video. Thanks again for watching.